ZENA stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. ZenaTech is nice, you know, $2.42. Honestly, like, I don't know if my chart, like, yeah, my rules previously were here, and that was beautiful call out here. Let me show you it before, right? So at the time of making this video, ZENA was 223, and that was nice, right? It was great, like 6 days back. Didn't have even that much candles right here to work with, and that's exactly how I called it out. That's exactly how it has happened. In this particular instance, I'm just looking to double down. So, meaning that going to the next day, which is going to be Wednesday, I'm looking to buy as long as there's some sort of a double break here. And if that does not quite happen, then so be it. You know, I'm not going to just sit here and just freaking overcomplicate stuff, just waiting for rules. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, then yeah, sure, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.